Well, I had a project going, and it's turning out to be functional wise a failure. Education wise, not so much. I learned some things, but let me show you what we got going on here. So, my dad wanted me to build him a creeper, mechanics creeper, not the creepy old guy that sniffs other people's kids. But anyway, so what I did was I went down a rabbit hole and saw a design. He actually saw a design that he liked online quite a bit, but nobody wants to pay $800 for a mechanics creeper. So anyway, we just kind of took the idea and kind of ran with it. So we got 1 inch by 3/16 thick flat bar. That's what this is. That's what all this is. This is 1 inch 16 gauge square tube. And, design wise and appearances, you'd think it would work. But when I laid out a piece of plywood over the center section here, put the whole thing on the ground and laid on it, it bottomed out. And what's happening is it's bending in, and this is bottoming out. Actually, this one's not. It's the back end and the front end. So I tacked in a piece of angle iron, and I even put little gussets in. And it helped stiffen it up a little bit. But then, as you can see, now it's starting to bend here. So it's not working out. I'm not a little guy. I'm 335 pounds. My stepdad's 3 bills himself. So that's not going to work. And we went with pneumatic tires because he's got a gravel driveway. So it'd be easier to pivot and move around. But honestly, I think I just needed to use sturdier material. Not use 16 gauge square tube, and probably should have went with something a little thicker than 3/16 flat bar, or just did the whole cross frame out of square tubing also. But we learned something. So, and I just do this for fun. This is a new hobby for me, learning how to weld in metal fab. And I'm just loving it, loving every bit of it. And I don't take it as a personal failure. People are going to say what they're going to say, but I do this for me. I don't do it for them. The people I do it for are the ones that have been thinking about wanting to get started and doing something, and they keep putting it off, or they might not have the confidence, what have you. Regardless, I do it for me first, and then I do it for them, to kind of help inspire people, because we're only human, and we make mistakes, we mess up, we fail. Failure is how you learn. So I was talking with Chad earlier at Honest Spate and Speed Shop. Go check them out, by the way, if you haven't already. Really great channel. They got a couple 3 Model A's, Roadster, Coupe, and Sedan. Great content, great folks, sweet cars. The projects they're working on are pretty fantastic. Definitely give them a check out and subscribe. But he recommended or suggested putting in some triangle gussets. So I'm going to try that, and we're going to see how this pans out. And then ultimately, I'm probably going to redo this whole thing. If that doesn't work, I'll probably use heavier square tube, thicker wall square tube, and not use the flat bar as the cross cage. So we got some options. It's not like I'm on a deadline to do this. It's just something that he asked me to do, give me a project to work on, and it also helps with my self-education in metal fab and building things, which is a lot of fun. Win, lose, or draw. So the internet loves to see people fail. Don't know why their brains are triggered to be drawn towards failures and negativity. Don't know. Don't care. I'm having a blast. I hope you folks are enjoying the show and learning right alongside with me. But anyway, we're going to go back to the drawing board. I'm going to do a couple tweaks to this and see if I can't get it to work. I did find out it's not going to work currently as a mechanic's creeper. But if I flip it upside down, because the wheels are centered on the frame, it'll actually make a pretty handy little cart for loading yard debris up from around the property. Or even putting a tote on and packing crap around. So anyway, I'm Brandon. This is Midnight Customs. Thanks for watching. And we'll put out another video later once I get this figured out. And if I end up building another one, we'll show a full build on that. Thanks for watching.